In industry, production and supply chain are still managed as separate worlds. Operations remains focused on maximizing production, while supply chain teams chase on-time, in-full delivery targets. But one disruption can set off a chain reaction. Production derails, inventory runs out, and customer commitments get missed. When teams are trapped in siloed systems and endless emergency meetings, valuable time is lost just trying to figure out what went wrong. The result? Lost production, excess inventory, and missed commitments. Moving away from this disconnected process to make both production and supply chain more resilient requires a new, unified approach. Introducing Cognite Integrated Supply Chain, powered by the Cognite AI and Data Platform. Cognite Integrated Supply Chain ends the trade-off between OEE and OTIF. It connects real-time production data with demand, inventory, logistics, and supply chain events, creating true cross-functional visibility. By bridging the plant floor and the supply chain, your organization saves critical time detecting disruptions earlier, aligning on priorities, and resolving them faster with AI-driven recommendations. Powered by the Cognite Industrial Knowledge Graph, teams can understand the complex relationships between production data, demand, inventory, suppliers, and logistics, turning it into a trusted foundation that teams can act on. At the same time, Cognite Atlas AI agents can accelerate root cause analysis, recommend next best actions, and support faster resolutions that take the larger context into account. For example, teams can detect late shipments, understand the impact on production and maintenance, and quickly take action on customer orders before risking OTIF. Cognite Integrated Supply Chain complements your existing supply chain solutions by closing the visibility gap between operations and the supply chain. It is enabling teams to detect disruptions in real time, understand their impact across production and delivery, and act faster. Industrial teams don't need another system to check. They need production and supply chain to move together with the context of what is happening, what it means, and what to do next. Cognite Integrated Supply Chain brings production reality into every supply chain decision, helping teams protect delivery commitments, reduce risk, and keep operations moving efficiently.